Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and granting permissions so the app can control screen and gestures. This is required. Once done, open settings inside the app and enable accessibility or display control. That lets the app detect double taps. Make sure your device software supports overlay gestures. If not, update the OS. Now, set the basic trigger. Choose single or double tap region and save. Immediately test on the lock screen and home screen to verify detection. You want feedback now, so adjustments are faster. Next, configure the behavior. Pick screen on or screen off and assign additional actions like launching camera if desired. This explains what happens when you tap. Then tune sensitivity and the double tap interval in milliseconds so your taps register reliably without false positives. Use active zones to limit taps to the top, center, or entire panel. This prevents accidental triggers. Also define exclusions, for example, disable gestures in specific apps or when battery saver runs, because that keeps the feature predictable. To finish, run a sequence of realistic tests. Lock the phone, double tap the chosen area, and watch the screen wake or sleep. If it fails occasionally, refine sensitivity and active zones, because small adjustments often fix missed taps. Make sure the app is excluded from battery optimization so background detection keeps working, otherwise the OS may suspend it. If problems continue, clear cache or reinstall, and capture logs to share with support. That helps identify device-specific conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.